Dito kami natulog. It's day 2. Canada Day. Yan. 10 person tent. 2 minutes setup daw. Sabi ni Costco. It's just my family. Happy Canada Day.
Hindi, sa Calgary, isang oras. Dito, ilang oras ba tayo nagkita? Oh wait, it's cooking. Don't blow it. Mommy. Hotdog. I love you, Mommy. I love you.
Everything okay in there? Oh, great, Genie. Cheerios and cruise time. Works for me. Gentlemen,
Hindi pero malamig lang. Ay, may akin.
oh, Mr. Krabs, this says you and the guest.
I suppose I could make that extra ticket available.
Diana, coffee or tea?
Saan ko ilalagay?
Diana, sa gilid.
You might as well hand over that secret formula right now. Because once you shove off, it's
Gutom
as
siya.
good as mine.
Apple.
Hotdog.
Well played.
And pancake.
Nakatipid nga tayo ng ilang libo sa
Hotel.
sa hotel.
Can't be planned.
Sakit naman sa paa.
Sa paa?
So sweet,
Sakit ng paa ko.
Karen. We are going
Yung paa ko malamig eh. Buong katawan ko okay eh.
Wala kang medyas?
Meron.
Balutin mo ng ano.
Nilamig ako gabi kasi si Hendrik malayo, tsaka ito kay Brianna naka. Nung isang gabi, nakasiksik yung dalawa sa akin.
No.
Hindi ako nilamig. Binanas nga ako eh.
Kasi ano eh. Mali yung higa natin.
Oo, pag ganun, Daddy. Pwede ba natin iisod?
Dapat tabi-tabi yung kama natin.
Hindi, kasi pag gumalaw yung isa, gumagalaw lahat.
Ito yan. Wala. Kaya ako siksik na siksik sa.
Hindi daw siya nilamig. Wala siyang kumot, hindi siya nakakumot. Ilalim lang, pero yung katawan mo lang kumot. Oh, Brandon,
You
did you get cold?
last night?
You're so strong. Oh my God.
Mom, look, use the GPS or smartphone to help you find this hidden treasure box around like the Lake Louise campground. Available May June to set one only.
We're gonna go today in the lake.
So can we do that?
Yeah.
We need to get GPS or smartphone.
Yeah.
Which one are we gonna use?
Both.
Okay.
Oh, smartphone.
I'm massaging the hot dog, Dad. Don't worry.
Water park tomorrow. May swimming pool ba yung hotel?
Oh yes, swimming pool. Oh yeah. Oh.
Fun more.
Let me give you a hand with that, honey.
Oh, Plankton, you're such a sweetheart.
Pwede bang hindi kumulo? Mainit lang.
Stupid secret formula.
Okay lang sa akin. Para makainom lang. Kasi inumuli ako ng pangalawa. At least natatain na ako eh.
Hey.
Your turn now, Krabs.
Yan na ba yung pinaka-max? Baka paubos na yan.
Oo.
Dad.
He's like my nipples again.
Ano eh.
Init.
Mahinang.
Let's just focus on
What?
spending some quality time together all alone.
You gonna boil this or?
Oh, maybe I'll boil it.
No, water is expensive. Just oil.
Kelp cheese.
Where's our...
That snack
Ah,
is as big as you are.
Very funny, Karen. Perhaps you should have married a pile of
hindi pa
cheese.
nakulo na.
That's it.
Dad, are we going to Cascade Creek? This place?
Matagal ka hindi ng kape.
We'll see.
Nasa akin napalagay niyan. Kape ako.
Cascades.
Wait, Mom, tomorrow we should buy like chocolate milk powder.
Oh, yeah. Why you didn't tell Dad?
Later, we'll back. I'm also gonna buy heated blanket.
Di na. Mag-hotel na tayo bukas. Walang joke.
Kunya, baka mamaya tayo madali.
May blanket kasi. Nasa yung blanket? Dapat nirap mo dun sa paa mo. O kaya nagdoble ka ng...
Nung nagsapin sa likod.
Hindi ka na.
Hindi ka masyado nilamig na yun. Yung kama nga yata yung malamig.
Yung kama ang nanunuot sa likod ng kama.
Kasi
kasi
hangin
yun
lang
yan.
yan. Hangin lang yan.
Sleep well,
Kaya nga sabi nila ano daw eh. Luxury lang daw yan. Hindi naman talaga ginagamit sa camping.
Yan mo ng isang
Sa bahay lang yan.
kama. Tamo
Eh
yung
kasi ang tigas naman pag direktang direktang lupa.
Kaya nga bibili ng ano na phone.
sinap ng blanket ng kama.
Oo, ganun gawin natin.
Ayun na, sinapin ko yung kulay blue.
You're not getting away this
Bawal yata may Bluetooth sa table.
Hindi, walang sinabi.
Walang sinabi. Sorry.
Go, Mr. Krabs!
I don't care anymore. Formula or no
Tapos sabi, bawal magdala ng kanya-kanyang firewood. Eh, ang dami ko nang nakita.
Uy, libre naman eh.
Basa na kasi.
Hindi, libre naman eh. Ba't bawal? Siguro
Hindi.
Bumibili sa labas.
Bumibili sa labas, hindi yung firewood na to ang ginagawa.
Kaya nga,
I know what I'm being.
Sabi ni nanay, nung yung nag-perform daw nung una, hindi man lang nilinis yung stage, may nakasampay pang medyas.
yung pala eh.
Sabi ka na kahapon, buti yung stage malinis ngayon. Kahapon, di man lang nilinis, may nakasampay pa. Dahil decoration. Hindi, may medyas. Uy!
Ano yun?
Good vodka is never far from his grill, sir.
You like your pants? Si Henrik ang tulog na tulog eh. Wala man lang ka galaw-galaw.
Masarap ang tulog.
Pero kailangan pala ganito kalamig sa loob ng bahay.
Dad,
Wala na?
meron pa.
Palitan na natin. Saan natin to pwedeng itapon nga pala?
Alin?
Canisters.
Vacation just got a whole lot more lucrative, if you know what I'm saying. Krabby Patties! Come and get your Krabby Patties!
Ayaw pang itigil.
Good day, sirs. I would like to
Magaling
help your...
Nandiyan pala yun eh.
I mean,
Nandiyan yung,
purchase
yung dalawa,
a
di ba?
Krabby Patty. Watch me sucker this guy. That'll be a mere 100. Nice doing business, crabs!
May kakain ba ng kanin?
Stand back, sir.
Pass.
Leave this to your trusty
Konting
manservant.
kanin.
Yun eh.
Choke on that, you big...
Here's our rice.
Something. I can't believe you tried to fool me for your own selfish needs.
Charge mo ulit sa female yung ano.
Ba't sa lalaki?
Technically, it's your friend.
May nagcha-charge din kahapon.
Walang saksakan.
I guess I know.
May nagcha-charge din kahapon.
Kahapon.
But I don't think that's such a good...
Meron niya. Pinagahin ko lang mag-plant para maano. Yan, ganyan.
What are you guys
Hindi
making?
naman pinakulo ang kanin.
Okay na.
What are you guys making, Mom?
Hindi to pinapakulo na eh.
Mom, what is that?
Microwave na lang yun eh.
Mini rice nga. Luto na to na dinry nila.
Mom, what is that? Mom, what is that?
Rice.
Magic, no?
Magic rice. Hindi tinatakpan.
Ganito yung rice ni ano. Uy, hindi makaintay. Not yet ready.
Not yet ready.
You'll find a happy memory here.
Saan tinatapon yung canister, ma'am, sa recycle? Patingin nga doon sa gas.
Pagka na natin, no? Ang bagal eh.
Oo, palitan na.
This is my sculpture. How did you hear? Oh, you're just in time. Art lover, this is Squidward
Hindi ko talaga
Tentacles,
alam.
creator of this piece.
Wow, your work in a museum, Squidward.
Gosh, I can't believe it. I did
Pwede mo
this
daw
for
itong ano,
years.
Your happy
repellant.
memory.
Bibili ka lang ng, bibili ka lang nung,
Fiasco will say a few words.
dito, tama mo dun sa kuwang. Nakita mo yung kuwang.
Squid. Word.
Bibili ka ng adapter sa Amazon, tapos ikakabit mo dun sa malaking tangke. LPG din to eh.
Sana yung isang ganyan kaya.
Tatlo, $18. Yata? Ano na yun?
Labo naman eh. Hindi makain kayo.
Ganyan
Wait,
din
not
ka
yet
lang.
ready, bebe.
Nagluluto sa
You want pancake?
Can I have pancake
Yes.
and hot dog?
I forgot about your blindfold. Isn't it beautiful?
Oh no.
Oh no.
Ay, oh no.
Why are we
Wala na
cooking
daw.
pancake? Oh no, no more. Oh nga no.
kakunti na.
Wow.
No.
Fun.
It's fun.
Why? Let's get the eggs. Let's get the eggs. Yeah, I want to bake. I want to bake the pancake. Well, too bad because I
Where's the water?
Lagyan mo pa ng itlog.
No. That's not.
We're the
You
first
could get an egg too.
top of Mount Bikini. That must make the happiest memory.
You wanna throw the garbage?
Saan ba?
Ayaw ni Bren ng oras eh.
Lapit sa Tito
Oh my gosh. Move, it will,
Kailan ba natin mapapractice na hindi tayo
Oh yes.
mag-react ng
Oh no 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 no.
Ano na yun?
Henry, come here! Henry, come here!
bago pa maluto yung ubos na tong hotdog kay Henry. Yung pancake.
When the moon hits your eye like the big piece of pie. That's the most
Scrambled, what egg do you want, guys?
That's
Scrambled or sun-side up?
I want scrambled. King. When you want me to go?
Okay. Crack the egg and scramble it. Here.
Okay.
Oh, here. Sorry. May salt tayo, Dad?
Oh shoot.
Wala.
Oh, maalat naman yung hotdog eh. Yung
Where's mine?
pinagprituhan ng hotdog.
Kapon
Oh, toyo.
Where's mine?
Toyo. Lagyan mo konting toyo.
Ay,
Let's
maalat
put it in
na
the
natin.
same bowl, I think.
Okay lang.
Mom, do I put it in the same bowl?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, Mom, where do I put this? I don't know.
Okay.
Mom, where do I put this?
Here.
Mom, can I have a tissue? Done.
Yeah.
Me too. Can you give me a tissue? Now we
Yan na.
mix it. I'll just wipe it on. Mom, do we mix it?
One more, baby. That's too small.
O, dalawa na
I'm
yun.
gonna mix it now, okay?
Add 2 more.
I'll add 2 more. Okay. Brendan, we have to add 2 more.
Ano mo pa? Meron pang tukuin.
Brendan,
Okay na to? Lagyan mo pa?
Yep, pwede na.
Lahat na ba yan?
No.
Pancake?
Hindi, meron pa.
Hindi ka? Focus yan ah. Open it up. Open it up. Just open it up. Brianna, look at me. Open it up.
oh no, there's a
Yeah.
shell.
It's okay.
Move the shell.
It's okay.
The garbage.
I'll go get the shell.
No, it's okay.
No, I'll get the shell.
It's calcium. You know what they do on the shells sometimes?
What?
They crush it and then they put it in capsules because that's calcium.
What is calcium?
Yes, calcium. It makes your...
I put
Brandon,
4
look at
already.
me.
I put 4 already.
Add more. You can add more.
Done. Okay, that's good. Now we mix. Hey.
Mix it. I'm ready for the egg.
I feel like there's too much, like, soup.
Poke,
Crack the,
poke the
poke
yolk.
the yolk.
Poke the yolk. Poke the yolk. Just once. And the other one.
Brandon, you
And
want
then
rice?
whisk it. Whisk.
No.
Whisk.
Yeah.
This way. This way.
Yeah?
I would do it, but it's gonna spill.
See?
It's gonna
See?
spill.
See? Like that.
Okay,
See?
okay.
Slowly. Slowly. And then practice, you can do it faster next time, like this.
There's the egg.
So what do you
I'm
think?
ready for the
Happiest
egg.
memory or what?
Brandon. Yeah, I think that's okay now.
Oh, walang rice si Brianna.
Ayaw niya sa pancake. Oh. Yana, here's your
Are you enjoying the hors d'oeuvres?
eggs. Daddy,
But after, can we have pancake?
give me the egg.
After, are we gonna have pancake?
Yes. After the egg, pancake.
Bigyan mo kay Brandon. Eat your rice, Brandon, okay?
Good. But I need a spoon first.
Oh yeah.
Exactly.
What do you mean spoon?
A spoon. A spoon.
Walang lasa yung egg natin. Here, wipe.
I need a wipe.
Oh, yun ay.
I'm gonna look for more jellyfish over by that creepy, spooky, evil
Oh,
looking
gusto din
cave.
niya. Gusto din niya ng egg.
Nako.
What do you want?
Oh, little jellyfish, I can't resist your charms.
Hold on. No more hot dog.
Be the perfect
Brianna, finish up your hot dog. Brandon, finish up your hot dog.
Let's hand it with it.
Dapat ganito tayo sa bahay, man.
Ano?
Yung bili natin ng pagkain, parang pang-camping lang. Yung tawag nun, yung...
So, everyday, itlog.
Para hindi,
Para hindi kumain to.
lahat ng makita ay kinakain. Hindi, isang...
Hindi na tayo mag-i-store. Kunyari, merong snack sa, sa pantry. Abay, kinakain na.
Saka pati yung mga kapitbahay na dumarating sa bahay, hindi ko mo...
Kukuha ng sarili. No? Alam na merong
Kasi kakaiba yung mga pagkain natin na ano sila.
na
So
curious.
curious eh.
Bebe egg. Come. Ay, bigyan mo nga ng egg yung
Brandon, focus on your eating. Your hot dog.
jelly. Good night.
pancake, bebe. Anong sasaw-saw nila dito?
Wala.
Oy, that's
See?
Brianna.
Sabi sa'yo.
That's Brianna's. Move it, move it. Mga egg, I'll give you
I
egg.
told you eat your hot dog. Brianna, eat your hot dog.
Random. You want talaga?
These late night horror shows are weird. Oh, hey,
You eat a lot of hot dog, bebe. That's theirs.
Give you
Egg, egg, egg.
egg.
I want that, my egg.
Apat na egg lang to eh.
Bigyan mo nga si Brianna, daddy.
Nang.
Tsaka si brother. Ng
Nang.
egg.
good morning, sleepyhead. We wouldn't
Ayaw pang magprito ng isa.
Oh, may gusto.
Say, you two stay
May anong gusto mo? Sunny side up?
Aww.
Tanong.
Mama, one more egg.
Yeah, I'll cook more egg.
But I
Pancake.
want it scrambled.
What do you want?
Egg scrambled. Oh, yeah.
Sunny side up?
One Krabby Patty,
Same.
hold the mayonnaise. One Krabby Patty, hold the mayonnaise.
Give some for nanay.
Krabby Patty,
Biana.
hold the mayonnaise.
Give some for nanay. I'll cook more for you.
Thank you. Come again.
Eat na, eat na.
Oh, put your hot dog down.
Krabby
Down.
Patty, hold the mayonnaise.
Finish your egg. Finish your hot dog first. Do
Actually,
you want to give him your hot dog?
mayo.
Oh, finish your hot dog first.
Si Hendrik nakatingin.
What's wrong, dudes?
Drink water.
All done,
Dodo.
baby. All done.
Wala kasing water sa flow kaya
We are currently out of the condiment you call
Rihanna.
mayonnaise. Please accept this free jellyfish handy.
Hendrik, no. That's
Oh, cool.
You eat yours.
It's okay. Say thank you.
All done, okay?
Because that's not yours. That's Nanay's, Brianna's, and adobo rice daw.
movie last night too.
Hindi naman niya kakainin
You're gonna
yan.
work here. You'll need an official rusty
Luwa-luwa
crab
lang.
hat.
Pancake.
Pancake na.
Say, that's a pretty neat trick.
Mawashroom ako, ha?
Extra mayonnaise from the
Eh,
back.
tatabo na lang, oh.
Tabo, gusto mo tabo?
Oh, may tabo dyan, eh. Ayaw ang tabo.
Hey, there's plenty of mayo back.
Pancake. Hot. Careful.
You
Ay,
want
pancake.
jellyfish?
Pancake.
No thanks.
Wala pa ako.
You seem
Brianna,
Ay,
pancake.
nang
Why
ano ng
don't you go
mga...
home and take a nap?
Pancake. Brandon, pancake.
Yes, and you can use this
Pancake.
jelly
wait,
as a
wait.
pillow.
Oh, that's okay. I have one at home.
You could have my hot dog.
Okay, go. Oh, thank you, Brianna. Say thank you. Kahapon ni dalawang hotdog ang ano, siya lang kumain lahat ng pangalawa.
All my friends taken by those jelly creatures. I can feel their creepy rope-like tentacles now.
All right, you rotten jelly clone. What have you done with SpongeBob?
I am no clone, Sandy. I am SpongeBob.
Well, then you won't mind if I run a simple test.
May nakita akong Chinese restaurant. Kumain tayo ng kaya baka ipaulitin mo. Hey, taste, diba?
Mayonnaise neither.
So you don't like mayo?
Kain tayo dyan.
Like a jelly in.
Daddy
Oh,
pooping.
snap out of it, SpongeBob. Now, if we only had some
Pancake, you want?
There's lots at the Krusty Krab, but we'll never get past
not to worry.
mayonnaise and mustard.
You want me to burn your...
Yeah. And then put it inside the
I
pancake.
like mustard.
Okay. Where's the fork?
Did you take that nap, SpongeBob?
Nasaan yung tinidor?
Ayan, kaya
Yep, we're all
Oh.
rested and jellified.
Jelly and Sandy.
Give me the pancake.
Ano na.
Quick, SpongeBob, the mayonnaise!
Wait.
Don't want it too much.
Okay, give me. Okay, it's ready.
Wait, can you?
It works, SpongeBob. Keep going.
Look, Brandon. Brandon, look.
Sa atin yung nabibili lang sa
Ano nabibili? Ay,
yung kanin ng ganito.
the bride.
Hey guys, what's shaking?
Hold it right there, you evil blob of slime. You're through, because we know your weakness. Show 'em, SpongeBob.
Ready for pancakes? Here, baby.
Now, just turn up the heat.
Here. Here you go. Baka matagal na yun. Oh,
Well, let me tell you.
11 minutes later.
And that's why we're covered in goo.
Thanks for rescuing us, SpongeBob. What are we gonna do? I hope you're securely seated and sufficiently hydrated.
want more egg, baby
Because
boy?
coming up next, it's
Here,
the
here,
Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy Marathon.
We've got to make sure we have the necessary
Oh,
supplies
no.
for this
Can
marathon.
you open some?
Okay, how are we on snacks?
I don't know. We might be able to pull through the first hour.
Check. Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy action figures?
Wala pa tayong tubig doon.
Drapes?
Check.
Lampshade?
Check.
Thermometer? Check. Ukulele, throw pillow, screensaver, incense, nail, headgear.
Bandan, you want more egg? Bandan, egg? Yeah? Egg? No? You want more egg?
We can make do with the few provisions we have.
For 60-something years,
Maganda pag ginugutom natin ang matong dalawa.
handedly kept the sea crime-free.
Oh,
And in
wait, baby.
celebration of such longevity,
Mas hindi pala.
Oh, I'm charging it to you.
Hero Mist with the
Welcome.
Ay, nakita mo yung phone ko, Dad?
It's inside.
special.
Bigyan mo ng...
Now, without further
Egg, baby. Okay? Brandon, egg. Okay?
Doon.
Kumain ng pancake to?
Sino? Oo. Sana naman ang dipong sa... ano ka nga, Dad? Magbate.
Mag?
Hey, thanks for letting us in, Squidward.
Nasa labas tayo. Kala ko ano yung gagawin ko.
Magbate yan. Wait, baby.
Ang pinapagawa. Mga
Pag sinabi ko
pinapagawa mo
magbate.
Kala ko.
What?
What?
I'm actually full now.
Huh?
I'm actually full from the egg.
Give
Oh,
nanay.
but you said you want more.
Careful.
You said you want more.
Oh,
Full na. Kahapon na tayo kakain.
dalawa na lang. Kasi
Tatlo
sa'yo,
na lang.
gusto mo
Oh,
sa'yo.
tatlo.
Kalo, hindi ko makakain.
Can I have some water?
Yes, that's water.
You're doing here. We will watch your TV. I hate to break it to you, but you'll have to go
See, Brianna, this is so fast. See?
knocked out in the storm.
You'll practice, okay? See? It's so fast. Brianna, look. It's not spilling. It's not spilling, Brianna. Look. It's not
Can
spilling.
I try?
Kala ko nilalagyan
Can I
ko
try?
ng pampaysa.
Meron na kasama.
Barnacle Boy, we want to know how this
Tsaka itlog.
Give nanay the
Hindi
egg.
mo na sinasamahan ng itlog.
Tubig na lang, magkakasama.
Yeah.
Mom, so we can go downtown to watch this pop-up theater?
Oh, ayan.
But yes,
What po? Wala ba ngayon dito, mamaya?
they're doing it in downtown.
I know.
And the story is fish wish you swish. Mom,
But only games na YouTube.
Mom, the show is called
Okay, all done.
Fish,
Good job, Brandon.
wish you swish.
Fish, you wish, you swish.
No, fish wish you swish.
Ah,
Cheese
fish.
swish.
Egg ka na lang, Daddy.
Ngayon?
Kasi ano ka eh. Kailangan mo to. Hindi ko nakakataba, Daddy.
Alam ko, pero may timing
Itlog
dapat.
nga lagi kinakain niya.
Ito nga na pangpantong
Ganun.
ganitong body ko.
Where they gave me a magic sea star that allowed me to breathe
Pangit din naman kapag nasa tamang weight ako. Ito yung,
Mas malaki yung ulo mo, no?
ito yung itsura ko. Dapat nasa border lang ako, no? Mga 80, 85. Yun.
Ganyan. Ba't ilan ka bang
Overweight pa rin to. 88.
Sorry, boys. There I was in the ocean.
Hindi.
Only
Ang
human
borderline ko,
could breathe
75 eh.
underwater.
kg
Alas,
man.
Such a life got lonely real
Ang
fast.
borderline
I
ko
had
sa
no
low
other
is
humans
65
to talk to.
kg.
What was
Pero
a
yun na
man
yan.
to do?
Mas okay yung
Then my
ano
question
ka,
was
bulky
answered.
ka. I mean, madubis konti.
Hey, barnacle boy, make sure you scrape the barnacles underneath too. Aye, aye.
Okay, finish your, Diana.
Boy in
Finish your
trouble.
pancake.
I gotta act fast or he'll drown.
What did you eat?
Fear not, young man. I'll take care of this.
That was beautiful, Bill. What a beautiful song.
Thanks, Jimmy.
Yeah. Hey, are those tears?
What?
Are you crying?
No, it's the smoke, Jimmy.
Aw, you big softy, you're crying, aren't
I'm
you?
not, Jimmy.
Oh, goodness, your pants are on fire! Oh, put it out, put it out! Put it out, put it out! Oh, my goodness!
It's a campfire, I told you. I ain't no softy.
Yeah, well, you're not very careful either.
Well, you're one to talk, Jimmy Sip. You remember the Outram trip?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Get the camera, Henry.
Did I hit it?
I know. Catch up! Ah. Old Saskatchewan River. Uh-huh. Well, Mr. Outram